trees. But
Wait, here we go.
Hold on.
There, yeah, there.
We see it! We see it! There's something on the ground! It almost looks like it's on the ground! Yeah, we're getting it! Damn it! Tyler! I need to get off because I gotta start filming! Okay. Hold on! I think I can get it from right here. It is on the ground! I can't see because of the stupid trees! I mean, it's right there. We have a wall cloud, it looks like. Yes, we got a wall cloud. Yes, there it is. There it is. There's 2 wall clouds. There are 2 wall clouds. Hang on.
I think it's now.
I think it's on the ground.
It's on the ground.
It looks like there might be 2 tornadoes on the ground. I'm trying to film it. Okay, hold on. Let me set the phone down. Yeah, we can still hear you. Okay, whoa, babe, don't get erratic. Don't get erratic.
We lost traction. Oh yeah.
It's on 42 now. We're going on Highway 42 now. And we are filming. We are currently filming.
This is beautiful.
Yes, we did. We had a possible touchdown. Okay, we're headed westbound on 42. Yeah, well, we got a wall cloud. We can't. I'm currently filming it right now, straight ahead. I gotta plug in my phone real quick. Okay, say that again. I need to plug in my charger. Hold on. Holy mother! Whoa, babe. Hang on.
I can't turn, but that's it.
Okay, you still there?
I can't turn around.
No, there's just lots of rotation right now.
Nor can I get off the road.
What's that?
So, hold on.
Yes, we are filming.
Let me go up ahead and try to turn around after this car.
What would you judge distance? Man, I wish you could see the wall cloud is monstrous on this thing. No, I'm talking about a live shot of it. In fact, I need to get my radar, my camera.
I can't turn around anywhere.
God damn it, people, quit texting me!
What's Tyler gonna say? I can't. Alright. You know what? Fuck it. We're getting closer.
We're gonna get a little bit closer.
Is that him?
Yeah.
What you gonna say? What you saying?
Hold on, let me get Tyler real quick.
Sure.
Can you talk to him, please?
Yeah. Hey, what? What?
Hold on. We're trying to get closer to it.
A left on 281?
We're gonna go left on 281.
Alright. Okay.
We are right at it. Holy mother of God. Holy mother of God. I gotta get pictures of this.
Alright, hang on, I can't hear you. What'd you say?
A tornado warning remains in effect for North Central Stafford County until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Hold on.
National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very strong location associated with a possible tornado 4 miles northwest of Hudson. This dangerous storm was moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Golf ball size hail is also expected with this storm. Locations impacted include Seward, Mayfield,
Wall cloud, very strong looking wall cloud, right northwest of us.
Stafford County, Kansas.
There's multiple areas of circulation.
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
Is that?
We got spotters all out here. Multiple spotters out here. They're all spotters.
Yeah.
We actually got chasers now on 281 highway. Tell them we're gonna get swallowed by the chasers.
Scott says, oh, crap. Hang on, Jeremy's fucking calling you still.
Tell them to quit calling.
No, I just hit ignore.
No, we still got a wall cloud over here. Southwest of Sawyer. We have a mesocyclone. We have a nice mesocyclone. I'm getting pictures of the meso right now. It's a big one.
Yeah. It definitely does.
Man, this thing is monstrous. It's almost to the city of Sawyer. Yeah, we're in Sawyer right now. We can still see it, baby. Yes.
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
We're going straight now. Yep.
We did get one that come out. There it is. Got it.
Yep. Wait, hang on, what'd you say?
Eastern Pratt County?
Is Pratt tornado warned?
Yes, Eastern Pratt County.
warned.
Hang on.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Stafford County and south central Kansas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
I was just about to say,
National Weather
look left,
Service
Scott.
Doppler radar indicated very strong location
What's that?
associated with a possible tornado 3 miles west
Okay,
of Hudson.
tell me where's the rotation at? Because we're on the other side of Sawyer.
2 inches in diameter is also expected with this storm. Locations impacted include littoral areas of northeastern Stafford County. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
Oh my God.
Contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your
Oh my
report
God,
to the
we're
National
like right
Weather
close to
Service
it.
South City.
Holy.
Repeating, a tornado warning has
No, it's not on the ground.
5:15 p.m. Central Daylight
There it
Time
is, there it is, there it is!
County,
Right there!
Shepherd County,
We got rotation! We got rotation! Right in front of us! We got rotation right in front of us! There's rotation right in front of us!
That's it. That's our storm.
Rotation right in front of us!
Scotty, this is why you listen, Tyler.
Hang on! Pictures! Pictures!
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for north central Ottawa County and south central Kansas, eastern Ottawa County and south central Kansas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Holy shit, it's fucking rotating! We don't have clear rotation, but it's rotating! It's right here! It is right here!
A possible tornado near Sawyer.
No, it's rotating.
Northeast at 50 miles per hour. Destructive hail up to 2 inches.
We're getting ready to get hit by the RFD.
With this storm. Locations impacted include Kylo and Preston. Take cover now.
Okay, we're gonna move our location as it is just overhead right here to the northwest of us.
Vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying
man.
debris. Repeating, a tornado
This is
warning has
like-
been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Kansas, Harper and Pratt.
Look at it.
Right there, we have.
there.
There it is. There it is. There it is. I see it. We have rotation still. It's not quite to the ground. We got a nice wall cloud and a funnel cloud. We are filming as we speak.
I can't tell if it's on the ground, but it might be.
We can't tell if it's on the
It
ground.
might be. It looks like it might be.
No, we are about almost 2 miles outside of Sawyer. West.
Oh, wrong one. Hey! Oh, we missed the hail.
The
Damn.
tree is obscuring my view, guys.
Look, just stay right here. You see that?
Yes.
It's coming around.
Keep watching. Wayne, what's south of us?
Nothing south of us, we're
There's
fine, but there's
nothing
inflow and it's going this way.
This whole
Okay.
thing is right there.
The tree is obscuring my view, guys. The tree's obscuring my view. We need to go
Alright, hang on.
move forward. Tyler, move forward.
You can't. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna get us forward. Don't worry.
We have rotation almost to the ground. We have winds coming out of the southwest. Very strong winds out of the southwest. Okay, I think we might have a touchdown.
That might be dead.
We might have a little touchdown. Right south, right north of us. Oh my God.
And that was a deer.
This is, hold on, I gotta set the camera down, or the phone down. Picture.
I can't.
Right there, baby, it's right there. It's right there, come on, babe. Holy shit, this is making my adrenaline rush. Oh my God. It's really low to the ground. The rotation is very low to the ground.
You're okay to get out.
Yeah, I know. I'm just stopped
Yes.
for now.
Yes, it is very strong where we are at.
Scott.
And we're getting hit by the RFD.
It's gonna start to rebuild itself.
We need to move. We aren't going to be able to see anything from here. We need to turn around and move.
Let me get some video. Let me get some video real quick.
We need to turn around and head back.
Yeah, the RFD is strong right now out of the southwest.
We're like in a valley.
I realize that we're heading back that way.
Strong rotation right now. Very strong rotation.
I don't want to be in front. I just want to be where we can see it. Seriously.
We're gonna chase it back towards Isabel. We're getting hit by a strong RFD right now.
Yeah, if I get out of the car,
Yes,
I'm
we are
going away.
rolling video, baby.
I'm only 100 pounds, so I'm going away. God. This is awesome.
There might have been a brief touchdown, but I can't really confirm it until I watch the video.
Let me see. No, I got that.
Yes. But and that it might have been, but I'm just filming. I'm not even moving the camera.
We are.
Okay, I'm gonna set the phone down and get a picture.
We're right about here.
The National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado warning for Barber County in south central Kansas, southeastern Comanche County in south central Kansas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very strong rotation associated with a possible tornado 10 miles south of it. This dangerous storm was moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Destructive hail up to 2 inches in diameter is also expected with this storm. Hail up to 2 inches.
Guys, over there. Go look over there.
See that, but look right here.
Locations impacted
Yeah.
include
There's two of them.
Hartford, Medicine Lodge, Sharon, and
Can you check to see if there's 2 sets of rotation?
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I got another funnel cloud. I got a funnel cloud.
Mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest
There's one
substantial
there too.
shelter and protect
Look at that one though. That one's got more
yourself from
rotation than
flying
those two.
debris. Repeating,
I like
a
that.
tornado warning has been issued until 5
There's our spotters.
p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Barber, and Comanche.
Okay, hang on just a minute.
God damn, Jeremy.
I love being first.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, I know. We need to wait on that one. There's.
We're not gonna be able to see it from here. That's the thing. I think it might have something already. No, never mind.
It doesn't.
That's just scud.
Yeah. This here, you see this one coming up?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the one we're watching.
Yeah.
There's also one. It
Yeah,
kind
I
of went
see
away,
that.
but it was over here. This is the one that I've been watching.
Okay,
The one
can you
farther
check
back,
for us real quick? 1 mile north of.
No,
coming this-
back has something.
It's coming back this way.
Is it really?
Give me we're still at the same location, but I need you to tell me what is straight north of us.
Yeah.
Because when they start doing
Because it's
the rebuild.
yeah, we got strong rotation.
Yeah, okay. Hang on. Is that still Jeremy?
No, I got a 450 number.
This is actually my first season. So, but I bagged a few tornadoes already, and this, I guess I have another. Even though that was brief. How about you? I would have, well, I guess technically I was on a trip for.
Guys, we're not gonna be able to see the rotation now.
Yeah, I know.
We're getting ready to move, Scott. I'm just.
We're gonna have to turn around.
Okay, we're gonna turn around and head back east. Okay, can you please answer that?
Alright, hang on.
Yes.
Okay, why I wanted to answer. There we go. Hello?
Follow me.
No, this is Paige, his chase partner. What up? What's up?
Is it a dirt road or is it a paved?
The what? Yeah, we are watching right now a wall and
Southeast
funnel,
30th Avenue.
down, where are we, Scott?
Oh, we're about 2 miles west of Pratt, or Sawyer.
We're about 2 miles west of Pratt,
Sawyer.
or Sawyer, sorry, Sawyer. We're about 2 miles west of Sawyer, it's headed up that
Man, the
way.
rotation is still strong.
There's some heavy rotation, odds are it's gonna come, yeah, you need to get help.
I don't have their numbers. I'm trying to do so many different things at once. I can't even do it right now. I'm sure they already got people out that have already called it in. Hey, lots and lots and lots of hail on the ground.
Alright, turn this around.
Okay, we're start.
I couldn't turn around up there. My car's too big.
Okay. Okay, that's where we're gonna go.
Alright. But yeah, that was someone who knows you, was at your house. Oh, fuck seatbelts.
Wait, say that again. Southeast. Yeah, that's the one we just came off of.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that. Look at it. Damn.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing.
Yeah, that's bad.
All right, that'll go. That'll work. Okay. All right. That'll work. Okay. Bye. When there's a clearance up here, I would like to take some more pictures because there's a wall cloud right there. Looks like strong rotation. He still says is ongoing.
Yeah, we know. We can see it. We don't need the radar anymore. All we need to do is follow this thing.
That'll give me a few minutes to get the... Careful, careful.
Yeah. What is he stopping? Oh, yeah, this is perfect. All right, I'm going to pull us up here. What?
What's that?
I'm gonna try to get back here. Your next best bet, unless you want to follow this storm, is that one.
Hey babe, can you get the tripod real quick? My first tornado in 29 years.
I think that would be my
Right there.
pit, fourth or fifth.
gonna have to move or something because we can't see it now. What's that?
I'm not sure about this one anymore.
It looks weak. It's weakening now.
So we don't need to move. We'll go with him down south after that next storm. We missed the hail. Oh, look.
There's still hail on the ground.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
Nice. Grab some hail samples, babe. Let's grab some hail samples. Sunshine.